What's up, y'all? It's Dakota G. Today we got a really special one. We're gonna be breaking down 10 Days in Atlanta by Cody Ray and Dre TL.
I spent 10 days in Atlanta, suddenly a fucking rap star. See me on the TV, never thought I'd make it that far.
You might recognize both of these guys from Netflix's Rhythm and Flow Season 2. Track is produced by my man Jay Pats. Let's get into it. Go to the vocals. I've got Cody's hook right here, and I've gain staged everything just to get at a level where I have the headroom that I need. And so I'll play you without any processing.
10 days in Atlanta, suddenly a fucking rap star. See me on the TV, never thought I'd make it that far.
And the first thing I do is with Cody's vocals, I like to DS first. That's not always the case with every artist, but in this particular case, I like to DS first. So I hit it with the de-esser.
10 days in Atlanta, suddenly a fucking rap star. See me on the TV, never thought I'd make it that far.
Next, I'm hitting his vocal with the C6, and I'm just kind of focusing on those frequencies, the sibilance frequencies that jump out. I don't want that harshness coming through. I want a nice, clean vocal. So this is what that's doing.
10 days in Atlanta, suddenly a fucking rap star. See me on the TV, never thought I'd make it that far.
Next thing, I've got the Pro Q. With the Pro Q, I'm just making some different attenuation moves, rolling off some of this low end that we don't need. And I'm rolling off a little bit of top end as well. And I'll play you what this sounds like.
10 days in Atlanta, suddenly a fucking rap star. See me on the TV, never thought I'd make it that far.
Next, I'm pushing the vocal through the Mic DSP 404. This is a plugin that I use on a lot of my vocals. I just really like the dynamic multi-band compression that you get from this particular plugin. So let's play and hear what this is doing.
10 days in Atlanta, suddenly a fucking rap star. See me on the TV, never thought I'd make it that far.
So as you can see, we're doing quite a bit attenuation. What I find with the 404 is you can really control a vocal really well, attenuate some of that low end, that bassiness in a vocalist, because it can really help give clarity. So we're doing that with Cody's vocal. We are also pulling back on some of that top end. Same thing, just kind of making sure that we're not getting too sibilant, we're not getting too much brightness. The next thing I'm doing is I'm doing a little bit of compression to further control the vocal, and I'm using the Channel G Dynamics by Mic DSP, and this is what that is doing.
10 days in Atlanta, suddenly a fucking rap star. See me on the TV, never thought I'd make it that far. Pull up in your city, signing cities in a black car.
So you see, we're just kind of getting the vocal to be a little bit more consistent, bringing down some of the peaks. I look at this chain right here as if I was the recording engineer, what were some things that I would have done to make the vocal sound the way that I have it right here? I'm just kind of doing some damage control before I get to my overall shaping and flavor and getting the vocal to really have that character, right? So the first thing I do is